In every village, when the talking drum begins, you know something is about to happen. Nigeria, can you hear it? Our streets are restless, our markets whisper. The air itself is carrying a message, a change in the wind. The talking drum doesn't speak in words, but every ear understands. Prepare. This land has seen leaders come and go like shadows and sunset. But now, the sound is different. Louder, certain, closer. I'm not here to promise. I'm here to awaken Nigeria. The drumbeat has started. Our country is going to change. It doesn't matter what the TV politicians think they have up their sleeves. We are coming up with plans that are going to change this nation. Nigerians, I call upon you, wherever you are. The time has come to make the difference in our lives and in the lives of our children and our children's children. If they come and give you money, they're trying to steal something, they're trying to buy something off of you. Listen, when people pay you, they are buying, they're not selling. We need leaders who are not buying. We need leaders who are selling. We need leaders who have things to give us and not things to take from us. And so, the hour has come for all of us to be sensitive to the politics, and the time has come for change. Let's wake up. Let's get ready. Something is about to happen that will make this country a better one. Thank you, and God bless you.